What's going on, guys? JT's the latest Mustang and automotive news, and today we've got a video of the Ford Raptor R. This is car's actually going to get a 760 horsepower supercharged V8, and guess what kind of transmission it's going to get? It's not the DCT, and 10 speeds are more fun than 7. I'm just going to go ahead and let you know I've got a Mach 1 with the 10-speed auto. Not that many people complain about it. I'm super happy with the 10-speed. So when I was in Los Angeles, I rented a Raptor that someone had put the original Raptor, someone put a Whipple supercharger on it, the V8, whatever size motor that comes with it, the later model, the newer one, and they'd put a Whipple on it, and I believe it was rated at something like 600 horsepower. I'll link the video above, but man, that was I wouldn't buy that truck because that one had been beaten up. It was a rental. I rented it for $99. This was in like 2018, I think, something like that. You can go check out the video. It was really fun, but it was a Whipple supercharged V8 Raptor, and I drove it around Venice and Malibu in the canyons and just had a blast. It was so fun. It was kind of winter. It was really cold. So what's the F-150 Raptor going to be like? I'm telling you guys, with this 10-speed and that supercharged 5.2, it's going to be no joke. It's going to be fun. It's going to bang through those gears fast as crap. Can you imagine that? That's literally how it's going to be. It's going to bang through the gears faster than that 7-speed and the GT500. And I know you guys are just all about probably 0 to 60 times because you're on YouTube complaining and making comments, but I'm going to go ahead and say that there's some real enthusiasts on here that just want to have fun driving it. Okay, so that's on street driving. Is that the most efficient thing for being off-road? Probably just a conventional 10-speed because what most people are just going to be driving this, towing a boat, showing off to the bros, and ripping on the street, drag racing TRXs and stuff like that. So I'm super excited. We've actually got a video of the car, of the truck here. It's ripping. No problem, just 70-mile-an-hour donuts. I think it has something like a 36-gallon fuel tank. So in today's gas prices, that'll be like a $900 fill up. But anyways, so 10-speed automatic, 9.75 rear, electronically rear locking diff, 410 gears. This thing's going to make the V6 a slouch. Sorry, yeah, larger. Yeah, 36 gallon. So this thing's going to suck down the gas like a, you know what. And basically, it's going to come with 37s. There's a window sticker. Let's go over. There's a window sticker over on another page that said it's going to have 37-inch. Yeah, here it is. 37. There is a window sticker video as well. Someone does have a window sticker of this vehicle. 37-inch wheel and tire package, 5.2 liter, 10-speed auto, 410 final drive. Yeah, 37 by 12.5. Anyways, guys, if you like this channel, subscribe. If you don't, don't subscribe. And let's go check out this. Okay, so I think they have the same video. This is an aerial view. Can we get some audio? Raptor World Instagram. Listen to this. Ripping. I'm sorry, but sorry for the Raptor guys with the V6, the twin turbo. It doesn't. You can tell this has another 200 horsepower, because in the V6 Raptors, when it would do a donut like that in the sand, it would kind of, you could hear it bogging at like 4,000 RPMs, just kind of like, you ever been in a car where you're doing a donut and it's like bogging? Doesn't have enough power to go into the next gear. I mean, back in the day, cars were so slow that you could only do donuts in like first gear, basically. But now horsepower numbers are crazy. So in the V6 Raptor, you can hear it in the sand when it's doing a donut, and it'll kind of bog. It'll just kind of be like in second gear. This thing, listen to this when it does a donut. It literally is like, give me third, give me fourth. It's got so much power, it's just ready to rip. So it's shifted up into third or fourth, who knows. There it is again, shift again probably. I mean, it's not having any problem turning those big 37-inch wheels and tires. I know this is out there in the salt flat out there and wherever it is, California. I can't remember where that big salt flat area is, but that stuff is like hard packed. But
you know what the solution is, mate? What's that?
It's also still not easy to turn 37-inch wheel and tires over. Yeah. So the V6 is going to be a slouch compared to this dude. Sorry, that's just the way it is. Just the way it is, man. And I'm super excited. Like I said, I got to drive one, and the one I drove was like a 600 horsepower truck. Okay, it was a 600 horsepower truck. It was like a 2012 supercharged. And I think it had the 35s or 37s. I don't know the specs on the truck anymore. But those trucks were heavier, right? This new one's aluminum. And they even reduced the weight some more, I think. I don't know. You experts on the F-150 can let me know in the comments below. So this thing will rip. 760 horse. This is a TRX eater, I believe. I don't know the weights. But yeah, so this will be 160 more horsepower than the one I drove. Plus it will be lighter. Plus it's going to have a 10-speed instead of the 6-speed. I mean, this thing's going to be bad. This thing is going to be super bad. The one that I drove had the 6-speed, and I could tell... like you would floor it in first and it would spin. It would kind of do the one wheel, so it didn't have the locking diff like the diff was kind of worn out, so it wasn't 100% limited slip. And it would, and then it'd shift up into second. And when it kind of shifted up into second, it would kind of want to bog and then like go back to first and then go back into second. This thing is not going to have any of those problems. Now, they're going to be expensive to get. I'm telling you, unless you got a big bank, it's going to be hard to get one of these. I don't know. People are talking crazy markups, and people are paying it because the wealthy got super wealthy the last 2 or 3 years, and they're just able to buy whatever the heck they want, basically. And so it's the 1% and 5% that's going to be purchasing these things, business owners that did well during the pandemic. And so these things, and they're just going to sell them. That's the problem, is that so many people got super wealthy that they're just buying toys like this, and they can just bling, do it. And which is cool if you've been successful, but it's hard. It's just out of market for a lot of people. But it's cool for. I'm not going to spend $200,000 on this thing. This is crazy. But I will definitely make a YouTube video and talk about it with you guys because it's fun, right? So let's just listen to this bad boy again. I mean, he's just doing controlled drifts, and I don't think it's floored. I think it doesn't sound like it's bogging. I know it's sucking down that $6 out west, $6 gallon gas, or $7 probably for 92. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. I'm super excited about this truck because, for one, I've driven the 600 horsepower 6-speed version of this truck that had a Whipple. Shout out Lethal Performance and Whipple Superchargers. I've driven one of those, and it was awesome. It was super fun to drive. Flooring it, you can hear the Whipple. Check out the video, like I said. And this is just going to be like a way better, way better version of that. Plus 4 extra gears makes it so much more fun to drive. So this truck's going to be bad. Now, will it ever be under $150,000 to get? I'm not sure. So hopefully we can get this truck and test drive it, or, you know, I'm excited to see. They're definitely going to be doing a head-to-head against the TRX. And do you think that it's going to be faster than the TRX? I think it'll be faster than the TRX. It's got more power. I believe the weight should be lower, I would assume. And with the 10-speed, what transmission does the TRX have in it? I don't even know. Is it 8? Is it 8-speed? Is it the same transmission that they're using in all the Hellcats and stuff like that? Are they using 10 speeds or 8 speeds? I don't know. I'm a Ford guy. So let me know down in the comment section what you guys think, TRX versus Raptor R. What do you think the production numbers are going to be? And yeah, I'm excited to see this thing. So for the off-road guys, anybody that off-road like rock crawls understands that like a Toyota Land Cruiser has enough horsepower to go through just about anything and everything. Now the Raptor guys, like lots of power, big wheels and tires, rip through the desert, high speed, you know, but that's not what this is all about. Rock crawling is about like having a very, very, very reliable truck. So a lot of people aren't going to understand the Raptor. Like you can just go get a used Toyota Land Cruiser for $25,000 and go, you know, basically when you're rock crawling, you're trying to go as slow as you possibly can. You don't need 760 horsepower at all. You just need like some, like you don't even need like 33. You really don't even need more than like, for trail riding and most off-roading, you only need like 33s. And you don't need crazy. You need a little ground clearance and a little bit bigger tire that's just like an all-terrain or an off-road, and you can go like a lot of places. It's not going to be the best in mud or snow in the mountains on a trail on an incline with slippery rocks, but that's like very, very extreme situations. Like I said, this is a Baja desert truck. This isn't like a Tennessee mountain, you know, rainy, muddy thing. This is like, let me flex and show you how much money I have and how much, you know, like I have a 36-gallon tank at $6 a gallon. That's like, you know, that's like $200 and something to fill up, right? So that's not what this truck is about. It's this horsepower war that we have with Chrysler or Dodge, right? So it's kind of a different thing. Now, if you just want to go rock crawling, then just get a Toyota Land Cruiser, put some decent tires on it, and just take it stock, like stock off-road. You can go pretty much everywhere, and you can do that for like 20 grand or less. You can do that. You can literally do that with any off-road vehicle if you just put some off-road tires on it. You can pretty much do a lot of things. I digress. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the subscribe button if you like to watch. I've got some Mustang Mach-1 content. I just bought a Mustang Mach-1 handling package, and I love that car. It's just like, it's literally like the most fun I've ever had in a car. It's just so amazing. So I love my Mach-1. I recommend you guys go check one out if you're in the market for a sports car. And like I said, this truck has a lot of power. He's kind of pedaling it. He's probably flooring it there to get it up 80 miles an hour drift. Fourth gear or third gear, probably. Yeah, pretty awesome. Yeah, it's just got more than enough power. Thanks, you guys. Go check out Raptor World and then Car and Driver. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to see more of the latest Mustang and automotive news. Catch you in the next video.